Budget Queen.
Hey guys, it's your girls.
Hi.
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 Okay.
Anyway, hi. So you're really welcome to our channel, and
Welcome,
we
people
are
of the world.
budget
Queen.
budget queens.
Ooh.
And our channel is all about budget tips
Budget
and
things.
just looking good, feeling good
On the budget.
on a budget, and we just do lifestyle
Because we on the
skincare and
budget,
stuff like
guys.
that.
We on a budget.
Yeah, we are. So, forgive our rowdiness right now. It's been a while. We've not done a video in a long time.
Just a month, because I left
A
her.
month is a long time. So, and of course, I want to tell all of you, thank you so much for
Thank
the
you so
support.
much for the support. Like,
I was seeing views. I'm like,
what? But then y'all need to subscribe, y'all.
Subscribe. Can't be having views and nobody subscribe.
Like, please, guys.
Please, guys, subscribe to our channel, encourage us, and it's just we helping you and you also helping us because we have information that will be helpful to you.
So, like in the way you look.
Scarf is by AG. So
You're welcome.
yeah.
Yes, I do my work.
So I'm your girl Tony and
Gigi.
and
With
now
an I.
we're gonna this video is all about Dettol soup.
Dettol even tone soap.
Yeah. You know that we take that soap like for granted because we see it's Dettol, but now we're gonna give you tips on how to use it effectively.
Oh, yes.
You really don't need so much expensive things, and for your skin, less is more. For you though, less is more. And like, even if you don't have all that much money to get like a really expensive soap or a face wash, Dettol even tone can come in handy. Even if you have all the money, there are some things that soap self can give you that expensive soaps can't give. So today we're just going to be talking about that and giving you guys tips on how to use it effectively. This is for guys and for ladies. So yeah,
over to me now. So guys, as you can see that I'm about showing you now. This is the soap that saved our lives. That's all even so.
you can't even express.
We can't express. Like the things that don't finish now.
Don't finish it.
Pardon my pigeon. The soap has finished because we used it like people. So like this is like, we can't show you the pieces right now because
we can't show you the pieces, but this is
I'll go out.
This is the pink glow. It has two types.
Yeah.
My dear, it's not focusing. But it has two types. That's the one that is this color, this brown one, and
yeah, the one with pink
one.
glow.
So the one that we used that worked really well for us was this pink glow,
and it's Dettol again. It's
Dettol. And how much is it? I think it's like
350.
Yeah. So this size is 350. That's different sizes, and you see, 350 is really affordable
and
it's really nice for your skin.
Really nice for your skin.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if you all have noticed, but the last video we posted and now we're looking popping. I don't know, but like, to me, like my face, like as you can see the spots, things happened over the last month in my life. I let her, then I used a water, one kind water. There's actually a pimple and I had pimples on my face, so the spots appeared. And then I've been using Dettol Even Tone, and it's actually evening out because it has to. And Jimpori, of course.
And so you guys know my story, which I shared. Wow, for it. You guys know my story, which I shared with you in the last video when we talked about shea butter. And
I actually don't know why you didn't put your picture. Don't worry, guys, she's going to, like, in this video, you'll see the picture.
So when I had the uneven tone, and I was using the shea butter, the soap that I was using was this Dettol Even Tone, and trust me, it does wonders. For real though, you guys really don't have to look so far. If you're looking for a soap that you can use and that will look good to you. You use Dettol even tone. So now I'm gonna tell you how to use it effectively, that is gonna work for you. And yeah, and it's a safe soap. So
It's a safe
basically,
soap,
yeah,
basically.
so basically use it morning and night, of course. More especially using it at night is very, very important. Even if you skip your daycare routine, night is when it's most effective. Night is when it works really well. So for this soap, what I do is that I you know put it on my face, and I use the exfoliating beads to like exfoliate my face, like, because it has exfoliating beads. So you use it,
Like sand.
you really scrub your face, but don't be too harsh on it too. And I also used it all over like my body too. So you do that, and you have your bath at night. I put it on and I let it stay. I let it stay for a while before I then before I then wash it off. But even if you don't do that, it will still work. But for it to work really well, just follow these instructions that we have given you. And then after, if you're struggling with uneven skin tone, this will definitely work. I did this thing. I used just Dettol even tone and shea butter. Within 3 days, my uneven tone cleared, guys. I'm not even lying. I'm not even. I say it cleared. It's cleared.
Period.
So just use it, and if you have shea butter, you can use. If you have a really good cream,
Really good cream.
that although we're going to be talking about another cream that also helps with even tone, I really feel to have even tone and your skin to look vibrant, and it helps your skin will look vibrant and healthy.
Like,
Yeah, it's
your
good.
skin will be like popcorn that
Yeah,
has caramel.
yeah. And of course, as you can see, I'm light skinned and she's dark skinned, and
yes.
this helps both of us. So no matter your skin tone,
No matter your skin
no
tone,
matter your skin tone,
actually.
this would work.
And then you actually also need to be patient, because
Yeah.
different skin types. Like, if you guys look at our skin and my skin, this baby got plenty things for face. So, but me, I struggle, but it's work in progress. Like, this just like appeared like last week, and it's actually fading away. Patience is key.
Patience is key, for real though. Like, okay, I went out in the sun. When was that? And I didn't put my sunblock. Hey, devil is a liar. Let's see. But we thank God it's clearing out. We thank God it's clearing out. And of course, this also helps. So we just wanted to give you guys a really cheap and effective
And a really
soap.
quick solution to
Yeah,
your problems.
it's cheap,
Yeah.
it's effective. I mean, that's dream, yo. That's what is gonna help. So don't forget, when you want to bath, when you want to wash your face, when you want to have your bath, when you want to wash your face, don't forget, exfoliate very well.
And it's even
during the day.
It evens your
At
whole
night,
skin.
it evens it out. Then at night, put it on, leave it on for 5 minutes before you then have your bath. It would work. Make sure you use it for your face and your neck. So, and you're good.
Like my neck, like you can like see my neck.
Yeah,
Oh.
like there's nothing as good as like having even tone everywhere, because it's really bad when your face is dark and your neck is fair, or your face is fair and your neck
then
is dark.
actually like your whole body needs to be
Exactly.
down.
So combine this combo. I didn't even tell you when I was telling you guys about exfoliating. When you use the Jimpo, you can just buy the soap and it will do everything.
Finito.
So we're just giving you those tips because I
And
saw
it
that
is cheap,
you guys were asking questions about the soap that I use.
Wait. Now that I think about it, Jimpo is 650. Even though it's 350. 1,000 naira.
It's okay, it's true.
1,000 naira.
1K and you're good, and this would last you. So
it's actually last.
Yeah, so we're done. You guys, please comment.
Please
anything
subscribe.
That you would want to see.
Anything
please subscribe. Encourage us, guys. Really, like seriously, subscribe. You want make we beg? Subscribe.
We
You're gonna watch video.
Please subscribe.
It's fair to you.
And also please share and click on that notification button if you have subscribed, because you need to be notified when you need notifications.
You need it.
So
You
guys,
need
subscribe.
us.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
and share to people that need this. Even people that don't need it, but they need it.
They need it though.
They
Everybody
need
needs
it.
it.
Everybody needs it. Subscribe and
So, yeah, guys. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching,
we're
guys.
your budget queens. So bye.
Budget queen. Bye. Oh,
It's okay.
okay, sorry.